In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a blog to your Framer website. The first thing we need to do is create the new page within our Framer project. This new page is going to serve as the groundwork for our blog, so let's designate it with a purposeful title. Blog seems appropriate and intuitive. After the page is created, we need to add our header and footer. These elements are critical as they bring a level of consistency to the website, and they allow for easy navigation. After we've established the basic structure of the blog page, we'll proceed with adding an HTML embed. If you glance at the Assets panel in Framer, you'll spot an embed component. We need to drag this component onto our newly created blog page. This component should be carefully positioned between your header and footer to achieve a seamless design flow. Now, it's time to fetch some valuable data. Let's move temporarily away from Framer and onto your third-party blog service. If you're working with something like Drop-in Blog or Blog Handy, this step will necessitate your attention as the job revolves around copying a certain bit of code from them. This code is essential to our endeavor as it powers the functionality of our blog page, and thus must be incorporated into our Framer project. Now that we have this code, it's time to return to Framer, where we will complete the embedding process. Go back to the HTML embed settings that you worked with earlier. Here, you can paste the copied code. What this does is it integrates the third-party blog service with our website, effectively expanding our site's capabilities. Once the code is successfully embedded, we may need to make slight adjustments for a perfect fit. This stage is all about customizing the layout of the embed section within Framer. There might be the need to enable overflow scroll or change the layout to grid, depending on how you want the embedded blog to appear. These adjustments are key to ensuring that the blog not only functions well, but also looks great. Finally, we lead all our hard work full circle and head back to our third-party blog services settings. Here, you must locate the blog URL field. In this field, you'll paste the link that directs users to your new Framer blog page. Once this is done, just save the changes and voila! Your Framer website now boasts an impressive, fully functional blog page. And just like that, you've mastered how to add a blog to your Framer website.